Getting your first Brazilian wax. Watch this before you book your appointment. It could save you pain, time, and unnecessary stress. In the next minute, I'll explain exactly what happens during a professional Brazilian wax, from preparation to aftercare. Whether it's your first appointment or you're simply curious, here's everything you need to know. Preparation makes a big difference in both comfort and results. Allow the hair to grow to about 1/4 inch before your appointment for the best wax grip. Exfoliate gently the day before to help remove dead skin and reduce the chance of ingrown hairs. Stay hydrated, wear loose clothing, and consider limiting caffeine if you're sensitive to discomfort. Step 1. The area is cleansed to remove oils and prepare the skin. Next, a light protective oil helps the wax grip the hair while reducing contact with the skin. The wax is applied firmly in the direction of hair growth and allowed to set. The skin is held taut, and the wax is removed quickly and confidently. Applying gentle pressure afterward can help reduce discomfort. For the first 24 hours, avoid excessive heat, heavy workouts, and anything that may irritate freshly waxed skin. After 48 hours, begin gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 times each week to help prevent ingrown hairs. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to MTH Health for more professional waxing education and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.